Hey friends, if the camera is not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Privacy and Security tab on the list on the left hand side and select Camera in the right pane. You'll find the Camera Access button here. Make sure that it's turned on, and it should also be turned on for the application on which you're trying to access the camera. Now, once this is sorted out, you can search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager. Expand the list for camera drivers, right click and update it. Okay, this is general troubleshooting, but what about app specific troubleshooting? Let's say that you encountered it on the Teams app. It will be similar for any application. I'm depicting it on the Teams app. Okay, so click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, go to devices, and make sure that the correct camera is selected here, not the wrong camera. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.